Are you stuck in decision limbo? Here's the secret to taking action and topping the stock market. Welcome to the program You Can Surpass the Stock Market. Here I show you how you can reach the peak where you arrive in the stock market without getting overwhelmed. I am Francisco and I'm an expert in finding stocks that can top the S&P 500. And today we're going to talk about overcoming analysis paralysis. How to act quickly and make informed, agile decisions. So let's begin by understanding what analysis paralysis really is. It's that state where you have so much information and so many options that you become immobilized, unable to make a decision. In the realm of investing, this can be particularly detrimental. This approach addresses the pain of feeling overwhelmed by too much information and the frustration of watching potential gains slip away because you couldn't decide in time. You save time, reduce stress, and increase the likelihood of achieving better returns. Now imagine you in a different scenario. You've set clear investment criteria aligned with your financial goals. When the same tech company catches your eye, you quickly evaluate it against your predefined checklist: solid revenue growth, innovative products, strong leadership, and favorable market trends. It ticks all the boxes. Without getting entangled in endless analysis, you make an informed decision to invest promptly. As a result, you enter the market early, and as the stock rises, you watch your investment grow. You've capitalized on the opportunity while others are still mired in overthinking. This shift from hesitation to decisive action illustrates how overcoming analysis paralysis can significantly enhance your investment outcomes. So, how can you start seeing these remarkable results in your own investment journey? Imagine having a personalized roadmap that guides your investment decisions swiftly and confidently. By creating a checklist tailored to your financial goals, you establish a consistent framework for evaluating opportunities. This not only saves precious time, but also ensures you don't miss out on lucrative investments due to overanalysis. Consistency and commitment to your criteria becomes your secret weapon against hesitation.